Hello guys, this is Fun at Automotive here, showing you guys my Jeep Liberty that I currently own as of now. And this little thing did everything my brother's Wrangler did. Almost every hill, except about two, and those ones are rough. And of course the Wrangler gets it no problem. Slider, this thing's about 40 something hundred pounds. It's got 265, 75, 16 tires on it. They equal out to about a 32.6, 10.5 inches wide and 16-inch rim. Like I said, these are 16 by 8 alloys. Ion alloy, yeah. 16 by 8. And I think they look really nice, especially on here with the dark green. But it's got a 2.5-inch lift kit on it, Daystar. It's done good. It's been 2 years I've had it on now. And it's actually never really sagged at all. It's been really good. 2.5-inch lift. Alright, and right here I have the upper control arms, the JBA upper control arms, and that's the spacer in here, right there, for the front, and I'll show you the rear spacer as well. Right there, big old ugly thing. Yeah, it's a budget lift, cheapy, but it gets the job done. And yeah, it's pretty nice. The interior is nice. I'll show you the interior. It's got the 3.7 liter V6 PowerTech. Pretty nice, pretty good. With the seat covers on them. I don't like these seat covers or those mats, but they're in it when I bought it. The 4-low in this works really well too. Really well. Really well. But all in all, I like these Liberties. They're pretty good. People crap talk them all the time, which I understand. You know, it's got independent suspension. You just can't lift them that high because you have to do all sorts of stuff with the independent front. And then you got some triangle control arm thing underneath the rear end, and it's just not the best. It's hard to lift. It's just really hard, and you have to do certain things to them, unlike an actual solid axle, you know, like Grand Cherokee, like this thing, my wife's, which we're gonna put a lift on and fix up soon and get it repainted. And it's, you know, everything's good. So this is my video. This is Fun and Automotive. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Time for some solid axle fun on my next project when I sell this. Thank you guys. See you soon.